Hello and welcome to English 104, Introduction to Literature. I'm Beth Adlott, your instructor, and right up here in the corner. And I am keeping the video small because I want you to see the Moodle page right here. This is a class designed to help you prepare for college literature classes. And it's also for people who just plain want to read. I love this course. I love teaching narrative because I have one question above all, which is why do people tell stories? Why not tell the truth? Why not tell facts? What are people trying to get at when they're telling stories? Is it just to put children to sleep? Is it just to excite people? Is it just to entertain? I think there's something else that people are trying to get at when they tell stories. We'll see. We'll see if you agree with me or not. So this is the middle page for the course. And what you need to realize here in green, you have to post something the first week of classes before Sunday night. It's not enough just to log on. You have to actually do one assignment or else I'll have to drop you from the course. Now I want to go over, excuse me, this introductory material here. News and announcements forms. I will email you through here every Monday morning just to give you a heads up for what's going ahead this week. The course is totally online. It's asynchronous, but I'm available at Zoom, by text, by email, by phone, any way smoke signals. Any way you want to get in touch with me. Meet your professor, some information about me, syllabus, everything you need to know about this course, the schedule of assignments in case you want to sit down with your calendar, figure out what the next 2 months, are going to be like. List of readings. You might want to get ahead on the readings or not, but you might want to know what's in store for you. There's nothing you need to buy for this course. Everything is online. If you have troubles with the URLs that I've furnished for you, please let me know. I'll find you something else. Oh, I even put in a thing. How did I choose these readings? I believe in holding instructors accountable for what they teach. So if ever you have a question about why I've chosen something, I promise you I have good reasons for it. I also have another list of readings that for some reason I like these better. But we'll arm wrestle over it if you'd like. Resources for you. Lane is excellent about providing resources for students. And I would be glad to direct you to any kind of help you need, from tutoring, the library, all open during the summer. A course question and answer forum. If you don't want to email me, you can post it to the forum. And basic needs. We've all gone through more than a few years of tough times. So if you need anything on campus, outside of campus, this is a good place to start. Also, I've done an acknowledgement of the land because we need to pay respects for the indigenous folks who were here, who took care of this land long before we were here. Any questions about the class? Please contact me and let me know. Bye for now.